Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. TransJamaican Highway shares commenced trading today on the Jamaica Stock Exchange but ended on the decline. The stock, which opened trading at $1.41, slipped 16%, closing at $1.18. TransJamaican Highway is the largest listing on the stock exchange. The company raised over $14 billion from its initial public offering. And speaking about stocks, the JC index lost 748 points today, and the junior market index is down by 52 points. Among the winners were CAC 2000 9.5 cumulative redeemable preference shares, Sterling Investments, Epley, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Lasco Distributors. On the losing side were Cayley Group, Siboney Group, Elite Diagnostic, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, and Proven Investments US dollar shares. Group President and CEO at the Supreme Ventures Group, Andon Youngsang, has resigned. The announcement was made in a release by the company today. At the same time, Gary Peart has been appointed executive chairman of the group. Miami-based Ingenuity Technologies has announced a new partnership with the Development Bank of Jamaica (TVJ). The partnership will facilitate remote working tools to small businesses in Jamaica during the COVID-19 pandemic. The tools are being offered via the TVJ Technical Voucher Program to small businesses currently faced with business disruption as a result of mandatory physical distancing. The TVJ voucher would cover most of the cost of procuring these tools. Finally, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.97. The Canadian dollar is going for $94.07. The pound closed at $159.88, while the euro sold for $149.91. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Good evening.